If you want to ride with rear panniers, here's what you need. Panniers, a rack. You probably don't need a fender, but you can if you want. And then I also recommend getting a little netting to go over top of the rack. For side-to-side stability, we have fixed these rivets here on each side for the rack. And then the rack comes down, and all you do is you find the rivets down near your back sprockets, and you affix for your, let's call it north-south, up-down gravity stability. So for these rear panniers, you can fit up to 40 liters of stuff in this bag. And then you collapse down the bag and this hood came over it. And it works really well. We went across Europe in 2016 with these, one on each side and a front bag, and we were good to go. I'll show you how to put it on the bike. So when you put it on the bike, what I found best was this lower one, move it all the way to the back and then clip it as far back on the rack as you can. The top one, simply rest onto the top of the rack and hold it in place. So that worked. It literally just slipped right in. You can see it holding the top with both of those clamps. And then down here, you see a little bit of extra stability with that clamp.